because right. So I do have these on, but I'm gonna split this out. Oh, and the bottom, they're literally ankle grazers. So like this and add the elastic. Oh, but there's gonna be 3/4 trousers. Did I buy them like this? I don't know. So now we've cut the ribbon that's with the trousers. We're gonna loop it to make these ribbon loops at the side opening. With the length that's given, I only managed to make 6 for each side. So I had the long, I cut it in 2, and then I cut another spare in 2. And then I cut the shortest ones again. With the 6 loops, the pattern I have is 2 small at the top, 2 medium in the middle, and then a 2 small at the bottom. I've pinned this and we're just going to stitch it with the machine. We're just going to go over the section where the loop is pinned. Visually trying to show you the back and forth stitching that's now been created on the loop. The last thing we need to do is feed the chain through each loop.